to demonstrate is another, again, basic technique, which we call Bong Sao. It's a Bong Sao block, and Lop Sao, which is the grab. So we'll do this whole block, and then we'll catch the hand and then attack. So I'm going to be the attacker, and Joel's going to use the technique. And again. Once more. Pretty good.
So far, my experience with Wing Chun has been very enlightening, and I find that Wing Chun is a very technical form that's almost broken down to a science. It moves in a way that is defensive and offensive in the same time, and leaves very limited room for people to hit you. It's not a trade-off. It's not trading off pawns for another pawn to try and score some big hit. It's a matter of you not letting anything go, not letting any inch budge, and moving forward.
All right, I'm going to demonstrate one other technique, which is Pak Sao. Pak Sao is basically a slap block, and we'll just show it. Simply the punch comes, I'm just going to block it and deflect it. Now again, to demonstrate how the efficiency and speed of Wing Chun, just go ahead, and again. You see, block, strike at the same time.
I really enjoy that the center line, and acknowledging that there is a very optimal way to be aggressive in defensive situations.
And how in Wing Chun we're very efficient, very fast. And we have attack and defense simultaneously. So it's not going to be a block and then a wait and then a strike. I'm just going to demonstrate one of the simple basic moves, which is called Tan Sao. And it's a block like so, and we keep it in the center line. And we'll do it very slowly. Now, for example, let's say Joel punches me with his left at the face, right? So try again, slowly again. And I'm going to do a Tan Sao, which is this move here. So I move him off my center and have a clear shot here. So again, I wouldn't just do that. What I would do is this here. Go ahead. And one more time. So you can see there's the defense and the attack simultaneously.
British Columbia. I've been training martial arts since I was a little kid, about 5 years old, starting karate, and I've tried all different kinds of martial arts: taekwondo, karate, kickboxing, Brazilian jiu-jitsu, judo, wrestling in high school. And so as soon as I randomly heard through the word of mouth that there was a club opening up in Vernon, naturally I had to come and try it out. And it's everything that I thought and more. It's great. It's great to learn. This club is very versatile in the different styles, in northern and southern styles, which is a great experience and very unique, and something you're not going to find at most places that I've ever been to. I've learned quite a bit, and I feel that it's a nice experience to learn and learn and learn. There's not another place that I'd recommend more than come in and trying out with Green Dragon Wing Chun Kung Fu.